guys, gonna sit here and do the happy dance. The happy dance. What is happening, my friends? So, just recently, I hit 400 subs. And I had said in one of my previous videos, right, whatever side it's on, I think it's on this side, right here, that when I hit 400 subs, I was going to do a giveaway. So, we made it. And I want to thank each and every one of you. If I could do it personally, I would, but I can't. So I started this channel right about 3 years ago. And in all reality, for the first 2 years, I really didn't do a lot with it. I started to do more with it a year ago. So I've been posting every week for a year, and last week was the first day I missed in a little over a year. So like I said, 400 subscribers. Last year when I started to find out more about this YouTube thing, I had 30 or 35 subscribers. So in the past year, I gained like 370 of you guys out there, and like I said, I thoroughly appreciate it. You know, thank you. So that being said, I also want to thank the first 30, you know, because they've been with me since the beginning. So I really appreciate you guys, as you're the guys who started watching my shit. So, all right, so moving on, I had said in that video that I was going to give somebody a gremlin bell. Many different names, but I call it a gremlin bell. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to leave this contest up for 2 weeks after the release of this video. And to enter the contest, all you have to do is leave a comment, and in that comment, put in there hashtag gremlin. That's all you got to do. And along with the gremlin bell, I will send, you know, my swag, my stickers, poker chip, you know. So like I said, hashtag gremlin in the comments, and you will be entered to win this gremlin bell. I'll put a picture up here, because I don't have it on my person at the time. It's at home. So that's what's going on. So 2 weeks after I post this video, I'm going to close it out, and I'm going to pick a winner. Alright guys, so like I said, 400 subs. I don't know what the fuck this person is racing me for. This is an asshole. Alright, where was I? So, yeah, a 400 sub giveaway. Lose track of thought, man. Hashtag gremlin in the comments below, and you may be a winner. Alright guys, Until next time, my friends. And I consider each and every one of you a friend. So until next time, stay safe. Love one another. Peace.